AI-generated visuals are changing the game, and the tool I'll show you puts that power directly in your hands. With just a few words, you can create hyper-realistic images, generate professional logos, and even produce cinematic videos using cutting-edge models like Google's Veo 3, all from a single platform. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today I'll walk you through Stockimg's most impressive tools, from image generation and logo design to next-gen video creation. You'll also see how it handles post-editing, automations, and advanced customization, all without any complex software or design experience. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or designer, this tool gives you creative freedom like never before. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's dive in. So guys, let's check out Stockimg AI, a powerful platform for generating hyper-realistic images and videos using just prompts. I'll show you how to use different models, from creating stock images to generating videos with Google's Veo 3 integration. There are plenty of use cases right on the homepage under Recommendations. You'll also find solutions for multiple categories, along with helpful learning resources, an API, and more, all neatly integrated into the platform. Let's jump into the dashboard and take a look around. In the navigation menu, we have tabs like Image Generator, Social Automation, API Access for Developers, Enterprise Solutions, and the built-in chat assistant. Let's try generating something for the first time. I'll start with an image in charcoal style and upload my own photo. You can choose the dimensions, square, vertical, or horizontal, and I'll go with square for now. I'll also select medium quality for a balanced result. Now let's hit generate and see what we get. And I have to say, it looks really good. The AI has transformed the photo into a stunning charcoal-style drawing. You can clearly see the contrast between light and dark, the texture that mimics charcoal strokes, and the deep artistic finish. On the right, you'll find the action panel with useful tools for post-processing. You can download the image, copy the link, or try again. There are also options to upscale the quality, remove the background, and more. Next, let's explore the post-generation editing. I'll ask the AI to add a vintage background with old books and an antique lamp. You can choose to edit with either ChatGPT or Gemini, and set your preferred quality. As you can see guys, it totally got the assignment. The books and lamp are there, and the whole image looks well integrated. Now let's move on to the logo generator. At the top you'll see a complex but intuitive category system. In the center there's a prompt box, and right below it a gallery of suggested logos. You can also create a completely custom logo using the generator. I'll input a prompt for a tech startup logo. There's an option to select a color palette, but I'll let the AI choose automatically for this one. Let's generate and take a look. The result is impressive. It's a clean, modern logo with a blue gradient background, 3D-style typography, and minimalistic technical elements like schematic lines and dots. I like the whole look and feel of it. If there's anything you'd like to change, you can simply pick a different style preset. I like this design, so I'll upscale it for better quality. Here's the updated version. You can now resize it or tweak the color palette. There's also an option to schedule posts to social media or convert it to SVG for flexible use. You can even ask the AI to modify certain design elements. It gave me a completely different version, which looks good, but honestly I prefer the original, so I'm switching back. Now let's explore the most powerful feature, Veo 3 from Google. On the main dashboard, you'll find templates for different kinds of videos, customized scenes and realistic interviews, green screen backgrounds and animated content. Each one comes with its own optimized settings. We'll go with a custom video to get the full experience. Here's what the interface looks like when using Veo 3. You'll enter your prompt and then choose the video format, horizontal for landscape or vertical for mobile, or if that's what you need, square for social media posts. I'll leave audio enabled for full immersion, but you can turn it off if you want a silent video. My prompt is a bit complex, guys. It includes lots of elements like the scene and character description, actions and camera movements, and much more. Let's hit generate and give it a moment. And here it is. Let's watch the result.
We're going to look at our user engagement data and see how this tracks over the past month.
It's seriously impressive. The video looks real, natural, and professional. You can generate all kinds of content using this platform. Just browse through the categories. The possibilities are endless. You can even automate your entire social media strategy, plan campaigns, and schedule posts, all from one single tool. Final thoughts. And that's Stockimg AI, a complete visual generation platform powered by artificial intelligence. You've seen how it transforms photos into stunning artworks, builds unique logos, and creates realistic videos with just a few lines of text. Everything is intuitive, fast, and fully customizable. Whether you're designing solo or building content at scale, the results speak for themselves. And the best part is how much creative control you get without needing any special skills or expensive tools. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.